that dude doing? Dude's hiring. Kidding me? Bath salts. Z, I heard you had a rowdy night. I gotta wash the filth off you. Today, I'm with my buddy Z and Scott from Adventures of Scott. Anyway, we're headed down to LA. We're going back to booze. I know you guys have seen that a lot of times, but I'll tell you what. We were just introduced to the secret sandwich that they have on the secret menu. It's called the Logan, and I'm excited to show you what it's all about. Oh shit! Goddamn pillow. Somebody's sleeping on the freeway. Sucked it, a pillow, wouldn't it? You get all caught up in your wheel, thought you were gonna crash. Slack bug! Pow! Come on, Prius! Jesus! Hey.
Work hard for you.
What's up, dude?
What's up, man? What are you guys doing tonight? What are you guys riding around?
This is it.
Really?
It's a whole video today. I'm gonna go get a Logan.
Nice. All right, we got you.
The Logan, it's the best thing. It's secret menu, I guess, right?
I don't even look at the menu. I just say Logan.
Logan, yeah. What'd you think?
It was fucking good.
Fucking amazing. Best cheesesteak you ever had?
Yeah, it was good. It was super unhealthy, and it was perfect.
You know where we're going now?
Where are we going?
We're going to Camarillo.
Camarillo? Like armadillo?
Armadillo. Quesadilla.
Camarillo, do you?
But I hope you got room in your stomach because we're going to eat again. You ready to eat again, Z?
Always.
Always. I'm telling you, if you guys are ever in the area, you have to go to Booze. It's that good. You won't be disappointed. Eyewitness News! I see you, buddy. I see you. What is that dude doing? Dude's hiring. Kidding me? Bath salts. Welcome to Hollyweird. Drive me. 89 bucks. No deposit. Sounds like a deal. We got Zora. Zorro! Look at all the Spider-Mans. Twins. I never told you guys where we're going now. Now we're headed to another restaurant. This place is called Waypoint Cafe. A subscriber sent me an email and suggested that we come here for the Blue Burger, which I'm not a fan of blue cheese, so probably not going to order that. But I did find on their menu something I do like. And based on all the Yelp reviews that I've seen, it's a tri-tip sandwich. So, off we go. I'll never make it through this. Thanks, buddy. Thank you. So, the Waypoint Cafe is about an hour away.
Okay.
But it's at an airport, which is really cool. So, hopefully we get to see some airplanes. I like airplanes. Nice! Alright, we're on this road 42 miles for my second lunch. As Scott was saying, it's Fat Kid Sunday. Camarillo. Here we go. Ah, look at it. It's pretty out here, huh? Long ass drive, man. I hope this place is cool. Cafe parking only. That's us. We made it.
I hate this bike now.
Are you ready for a big fat sandwich?
Yeah. Questions are you?
My butt hurts. Well, what do you think?
No cord yet.
No cords yet.
After today, it's done, dude.
Good spot, good spot. I had the tri-tip. I absolutely loved it. Z got the Blue Burger. Now we won't shut up about it. Thanks for the suggestion, Mr. Subscriber. Appreciate it. With that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Later. I bet there's a lot of accidents on PCH. Everybody looking at the ocean, not really paying attention. I totally see it happening.
It's pretty cheap. You want me to put some in your thing?
No, but your bike will run on diesel. It will. You didn't know that?
Really?
No, seriously, the smaller displacement bikes will run on diesel.
Oh. I heard that.
I wouldn't put it in there all the time, but in an emergency, it's okay.
Okay. Those people that climbed all the way up that hill, they're gonna get like they're gonna get the most glorious sunset ever.